Hey guys, if you've ever tried making 3D assets for a game or animation, you know the grind. You find the perfect reference image, you can already see it in 3D, but turning that into a real model means hours of sculpting or waiting days for a freelancer. Hitem3D 1.5 removes that pain completely. It is an AI tool built to generate high-quality 3D assets you can actually use in production, not just for cool posts. I am making my own game and using it to make 3D assets, and it works. Let's dive in. So guys, what is Hitem3D? It works like this. You upload an image and it builds a clean 3D model you can drop straight into Blender or Unity. You can download an FBX, OBJ, or STL, and it even includes textures so you are not starting from a blank clay mesh every time. The new update gives you a precision mode that outperforms tools like Tripo in detail and geometry. Sharp armor edges, mechanical parts, creature anatomy, all stay solid when you rotate the model. Geometry holds up instead of collapsing into weird shapes. We tested this inside our own game, Atom Assault. We used vibe coding and Hitem3D to generate early units and props. Tanks, cows, small buildings, even some weird prototypes. We fed our concept art into the high precision mode and got clean, stable models we could quickly refine in Blender. A bit of retopo, some style tweaks, and they were ready for the prototype. For indie devs, that speed is a huge win. It helped us iterate designs without stopping production. As you can see, the quality it produces is so high, you can basically 3D print your models right away. Hitem3D 1.5 also introduces multi-view reconstruction. Instead of guessing what the back looks like, it uses multiple angle estimations to fix occlusion and distortion. That means limbs, roofs, armor plates, vehicle parts all stay correct on every side. If you work with characters, there is a portrait mode tuned for realistic heads, perfect for close-ups, VTuber rigs, or quick previs shots. If you just want to prototype fast, there is a lighter mode that generates cheaper and quicker versions of your ideas. Great for pumping out batches of mechs, props, NPCs, and picking which ones to refine later. There is also a retry feature. Every generation gives you 3 quick regenerations, so you can tighten the result without wasting credits. Workflow stays simple. Generate, download, import, refine. Texture support cuts a ton of setup time, so you jump straight into creative work. You will still polish the model for final use, but the heavy lifting is already done. And the tool fits different budgets, with subscription plans or credit packs depending on how often you need it. For creators building games, animations, reels, or concept art, Hitem3D 1.5 turns hours of modeling into minutes and keeps your momentum alive. So, if you're building games, animations, or any kind of 3D content, Hitem3D 1.5 is one of those tools that actually speeds you up instead of slowing you down. We've already used it in Atom Assault to jump from concept to usable assets way faster than traditional modeling. Try it on your own references, play with the different modes, and see how quickly it fits into your workflow. And don't forget to subscribe to Vortex Channel. See you in the next one. Bye!